with Hurricane Milton, which has rapidly intensified to a Category 5 storm. Milton is on track to make landfall in the Tampa Bay area this week.
Well, here we go again. Another hurricane within 2 weeks of each other. So, we got another hurricane hitting Florida, and it's very sad. So, this time it's going to be impacting here in South Florida a little bit more than the last one. So, what we're going to prepare for is Hurricane Milton. And what we got to do is make sure we have our supplies. Obviously, we need some water. That's an important one. Stores were swept, gone of water in the aisle. Make sure you've got your canned goods there. Get your crackers there. Get a flashlight. It's an important thing. I know most people use their phones anyway. And a not even out of the box radio, weather radio. So I got that there. We may need to use that too. So these are all the supplies you're going to need to use for Florida. You need dealing with a hurricane. But the one thing is that we need to add to our supply list is a nice hurricane cocktail to get us ready for the storm. All right, well, you're making a hurricane, you need to use hurricane glasses, right? That's the only glass you're supposed to use for making hurricanes. So here we got our glasses, cocktail shaker, and now we're going to tell you what is in our hurricane. All right, well, what we've got here is our two rums. We got a white rum from 1996, Florida company, and then we also have Gambler's Bay Navy Strength rum. So we're going to go ahead, add our 2 ounces to start this off. There we go. And I better hurry it up because this thing is about to make landfall here. You hear the wind already starting to pick up on us. It's starting to get misty out of passion fruit juice. Got a ½ an ounce of our simple syrup. Got to add in our grenadine. That's how you get that pinkish color. Man, gotta hurry it up. They always say is fresh limes matter. All right, go ahead. All right, we're gonna add our lime juice there. Shake it up, shake it up. All right, now we've shaken up our mixture there. We get our lime stuff out of the way. Then pour in a beautiful color. We're gonna go ahead and garnish it now. It's really starting to come down now. I don't think this umbrella is gonna be big enough. We're gonna blow this out. And one last thing to add. And there we go. We have all of our garnishes there, including our red stapler for Hurricane Milton. Cheers and be safe.